Hi everyone, my name is Edmund. I'm just gonna quickly go over our marketing section, marketing materials section in the app. So I'm logged into our demo store. Once you're logged into your Shopify store, go to apps, open our app. From here, there's a menu on the top called marketing material. If you click on that, you'll see the banner section here. So every time we have new banners, basically when we add new items, we upload new banners as well. So these banners are completely free to use. You can download them on your computer and use them for any kind of marketing that you may be doing, or use it on your website as well. So the banners are dated when they were added. Yeah, we also have a size chart that you can download the size chart and use it however you like. Let's just do an example here. So you download, it'll get downloaded to your desktop. You just need to extract the file, so you'll be able to see the files itself. So we have a men's size guide and we have a women's size guide. So this will get downloaded to your desktop and you can use it however you want. Just keep in mind when you're adding adding items to your store, you can include the size chart to be automatically added along with the item. So when you click on Add to Shopify, there's a menu option here called Include Size Chart. So if you include that, if it's a women's item, it'll upload the women's size chart along with the item. If it's men's, it'll upload the men's size chart as well. Going back to the marketing material page, so we have our banners that we upload anytime we have new items. The same process, you can download the file to your desktop. Once it's downloaded, just extract the file. From here, you'll be able to see the different kind of banners that we have available. So we have main banners. The banners that we upload have text on them, and the same banner we upload without text. So if you want to add your own text, your own copy to the banners, you can. So we have a variety of different banners every time we have new merchandise that we add. We have the rectangle banners, we have square banners that you can use for social media marketing if you want, um, or use it for your website. Basically, however you want, you can utilize these banners. Going back to the app, you can also, if you go to the items, you can download the individual images of the items as well. If you click on detailed view, whatever images we have available for that item, you can directly download the images to your computer as well. You just click on download images and open the folder on your desktop, extract the file. From here, it downloads the product images directly to your computer, and you can use these images however you like. Okay, if you have any questions, please let us know. We are available on the phone, live chat, and email support as well. Once again, my name is Edmund, and thank you very much.